வணக்கம் 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 அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். மலேசிய தமிழ் பள்ளி மாணவர்களே, இன்று நம்முடைய பாரதி கற்பனை தளத்தின் இயங்கலையில் கற்றுக்கொள்வதற்காக எல்லோரும் மிக ஆர்வமாக வந்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றீர்கள். உங்கள் அனைவரையும் வருக வருக என வரவேற்கின்றோம். இன்றைய கணிதம் டிஎல்பி இயங்கலை வகுப்பை நடத்துவதற்காக வந்திருக்கின்றார் ஆசிரியை திருமதி கோமலம் ராமன் அவர்கள், லாடாங் ரீனி தமிழ் பள்ளி ஆசிரியை. ஏற்கனவே நம்முடைய பாரதி கற்பனை தளத்தில் அவர் இது போன்ற இயங்கலையை வழிநடத்தியிருக்கின்றார். மிக சிறப்பான ஆசிரியர், குறிப்பாக கணித பாடத்தில் மிக அனுபவம் வாய்ந்த ஒரு ஆசிரியராக திகழ்கின்றார். மாணவர்களே, இன்று கணிதம், நாளை தமிழ் மொழி இலக்கணம் தொடர்பாக பேச வருகின்றார் தமிழ்நாட்டிலிருந்து கற்பது தமிழ் என்கிற வலையொலியின் இயக்குனர் முனைவர் தமிழச்சி அனுஷா அவர்கள். அதன் பிறகு 21ஆம் தேதி உங்களுக்காக ஆசிரியை குமாரி சீதாலட்சுமி அவர்கள் ஒரு புத்தாக்க தொடர்பான போட்டி ஒன்று நடந்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றது. அது தொடர்பாக பேச வருகின்றார். ஆகவே எங்களோடு இந்த வாரம் நீங்கள் இணைந்திருங்கள். பல அரிய புதிய தகவல்களை நீங்கள் பெற்றுக்கொள்ளலாம். ஆக மாணவர்களே, இந்த இயங்கலையில் கலந்து கொள்வதற்கு சில விதிமுறைகள் இருக்கின்றன. அதனை நீங்கள் பின்பற்றுவீர்கள் என்று நாங்கள் நம்புகின்றோம். குறிப்பாக மாணவர்கள் நம்முடைய கருத்தரங்கத்திற்கு தொடர்பில்லாத கருத்துக்களை தயவு செய்து கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் பதிவிட வேண்டாம். உங்களுடைய பெயர், பள்ளியின் பெயரை மட்டும் பதிவு செய்தால் போதுமானது. உங்களுக்கு ஏதேனும் கேள்விகள் இருந்தால் நீங்கள் நிச்சயமாக உங்களுடைய கேள்விகளை இந்த கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் கருத்தாடல் பெட்டியில் பகிர்ந்து கொள்ளலாம். சரியா மாணவர்களே? பாரதி கற்பனை தளம் உங்கள் ஆற்றலுக்கு ஒரு தளம். உங்களுடைய கல்வி தடைபடாமல் நடப்பதற்கும் நீங்கள் கல்வி கற்பதற்கும் பாரதி கற்பனை தளம் சிறந்ததொரு தளமாக விளங்குகின்றது. இன்று மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ் டிஎல்பி ஷேப்ஸ், டைட்டில் ஷேப்ஸ் தொடர்பாக இன்றைய கருத்தரங்கத்தை வழிநடத்துவதற்கு ஆசிரியை திருமதி கோமலம் ராமன் அவர்கள் காத்திருக்கின்றார். நேரத்தை தாழ்த்தாமல் தொடர்ந்து நம்முடைய இன்றைய வெபினார் மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ் நடத்துவதற்காக ஆசிரியை கோமலம் ராமன் அவர்களை அன்போடு அழைக்கின்றேன்.
நன்றி ஐயா திரு கே பாலமுருகன் அவர்களே. Thank you to Bharati Creative Channel moderator, teacher and famous writer K. Balamurugan sir to give me this great opportunity again to conduct mathematics lesson. Hi students, how are you? Okay, welcome to today's maths lesson. Students, please prepare your stationeries to take notes. Okay students, are you ready? Let's we move to our lesson. Okay. Today we will learn about shapes. Students, do you know what is shapes? Okay. In Tamil, shapes called as vadivam. Manavargale, shapes என்றால் vadivam. Okay. Now let's we see the meaning of shape. Yes. What is shape? Okay. A shape is the form of an object or its external boundary, outline or external surface as opposed to other properties such as color, texture or material type. Students, actually shape is the form of an object. Okay? ஒரு பொருளின் உருவ அமைப்பு, அதுதான் shape, அதாவது வடிவம். Okay students, let's we move to the next. First is 2D shapes. Actually shapes are two types. First is 2D shapes and another one is 3D shapes. Okay, 2D shape we call in Tamil as இரு பரிமாண வடிவங்கள். மாணவர்களே, இரு பரிமாண வடிவங்கள் 2D shapes. Okay, actually 2D shapes are flat. Okay, have corners, have sides. For example, square, triangle and so on. Okay, now here are the 2D shapes. First is circle. Circle in Tamil vattam. And next square. Square, saduram. The third one, triangle. Triangle, mukkonam. The next is rectangle. Rectangle, sevvagam. Here is diamond. Diamond is vaira vadivam. Okay. Oval. Oval is neel vattam. The next one is pentagon. Pentagon is ainkonam because here have, yes, 5 sides. So it's called in Tamil as ainkonam. The next one is, yes, star. In Tamil, natchathiram. The last one is heart. Heart shape, idaya vadivam. Okay, students? Okay. Here is the 2D shapes. Students, it is very easy to identify the 2D shapes. Okay, now let me explain more about the 2D shapes. The first one is circle. Okay, students, circle. Okay, circle is no sides, only the curve. Okay, student. The second one is triangle. Triangle, yes, have how many sides? Yes, 3 sides for triangle. The third one is square. Square have how many sides? Yes, 4 sides. And the fourth one is rectangle. Rectangle have 4 sides too. Now we move to pentagon. Pentagon, as I told you earlier, is ainkonam. Tamilil ainkonam because it is have 5 sides. Pentagon have 5 sides. The next is hexagon. Hexagon in Tamil called as arunkonam. Arunkonam because hexagon have 6 sides. Okay, you can count and see here have 6 sides. The next one is heptagon. Heptagon in Tamil, Yerukonam. Yerukonam because it is have 7 sides. Heptagon have 7 sides. The next is octagon. Octagon, yenkonam. Yenkonam because it is have 8 sides. Okay, octagon have 8 sides. The next is nonagon. Nonagon. Nonagon is navakonam. Nonagon we call in Tamil as navakonam. So you can see and count here have 9 sides for nonagon. The last one is decagon. Decagon. Decagon in Tamil called as tasagonam. Tasagonam because for decagon have 10 sides. Decagon have how many sides, students? Yes, 10 sides. Okay, students, do you understand? Okay. Now we move to, yes, 3D shapes. Students, in Tamil, we call 3D shape as முப்பரிமாண வடிவம். முப்பரிமாண வடிவம். 3D shape are not flat. Okay, have vertices or one vertex. Have edges. Have faces. For example, cube, pyramid, and so on. Students, let me explain what is vertices. Actually, vertex. Plural is vertices. In Tamil, vertex called as munai. Okay, or we can call vertex or corner. Edges. Edges is விளிம்பு அல்லது ஓரம். Faces is வடிவ முகம். Okay, students? We move to the next slide. Yes, here are the 3D shapes. Okay, the first one is, yes, sphere. Sphere. Sphere in Tamil called as கோலம் அல்லது உருண்டை வடிவம். Sphere. The next one is prism. Prism called as முப்பட்டகம். Prism, முப்பட்டகம். The third one is cuboid. Cuboid, கன செவ்வகம். கன செவ்வகம். The fourth one is cube. Cube, கன சதுரம். Cube, கன சதுரம். The next one, உருளை, is cylinder. Cylinder we can call as உருளை in Tamil. Next one is pyramid. Pyramid we can call in Tamil as kumbagam. Kumbagam. The last one is, yes, cone. Cone shape is kumbu. In Tamil we call as kumbu. Okay, students? Okay, now teacher will explain more about, yes, objects of 2D shapes. Students, objects of 2D shapes. Here are the objects. Okay, let's see sample objects of, what shape is this? Yes, here are the circle objects. Okay, you can see from here donut, ball, clock, biscuit, pizza, some more button, and so on. Student, these are the circle objects. Next, we move to the, yes, here are sample objects of, yes, this is semicircle. Semicircle objects are here. In Tamil, semicircle, அரை வட்டம். அரை வட்டம், semicircle. Okay, students, you can see here window, hand fan, and underground trail, protector, and more. Okay, students, next we move to, yes, here are, we can see the, yes, what shape is this? Yes, here are rectangle objects. Here are the rectangle objects. Okay, we can see chocolate, briefcase, filled, some more, yes, ruler, building, juice, book, and more. Okay, students, do you understand? Okay, what is the next shape? What is the next 2D shape? Can you guess? Yes, here are the next 2D shapes. What shape is this, students? Yes, this is square shape objects. Square objects. You can see gift, dice, block, window, biscuit, box, and so on. Okay, students, these are the square objects. Next is, yes, you can see, yes, these are the objects. What shape is this? Oval objects. Here are oval objects. From here you can find fruit, leaf, hot air balloon, egg, fruit, some more, bun, balloon, mirror, chocolate, and more. Okay, students, here are we can see some sample objects of oval shapes. Okay, next is what shape? Yes, here are the next shape, 2D shape. Students, what shape is this? Yes, this is triangle objects. Triangle objects. Students, let me list down the objects. Okay, you can see cake, pizza, biscuit, origami jet, yield. Okay, students, and more. Okay, next is we move to, yes, we move to 3D shapes. Students, now we are going to see sample objects of 3D shapes. Okay, here is some sample objects of, yes, what shape is this? What kind of 3D shape is this? Yes, correct. This is cube objects. Cube objects. Students, you can find from here dice, yes, box, blocks, gift, ice cube, and more. Okay? Okay, students, what is the next 3D shape? Now we move. Next 3D shape is here. Yes, this is sphere objects. Sphere objects. Student, these are the sphere objects. Okay, you can see from here globe, yarn, eye, sunflower, lollipop. What is this? Bowling ball and lamp, balloon, marbles, and so on. Okay, students. Next is, yes, here we can see sample objects of, yes, correct, hemisphere. Hemisphere objects are here. We can see mushroom, can, bell, bun, lamp, okay, lemon, half of lemon, half of watermelon. What is this? Igloo and more. Next we move to, yes, what shape is this? This is correct, pyramid objects. Pyramid objects. From here we can find pyramid, building, antenna, caution object, and more. Let's we move to the next 3D shape. Okay. Here is the next object. Yes. This is cylinder objects. Cylinder objects. Cake. We can find from here cake, block, can drinks, candle, mug, drum, battery, and more. Okay, students. Next is, yes, what shape is this? Correct. It's a cone objects. Cone objects. Students, here are the cone objects. Ice cream, birthday hat, loudspeaker, funnel, carrot, Christmas chemistry, and more. Okay, students. Now, are you ready to see properties of 2D shapes? Actually, properties 2D shape is we can call as இரு பரிமாண வடிவங்களின் பண்புகள். That is properties of 2D shapes. Here is the first shape. Yes. What shape is this? Yes, this is circle. Circle is perfectly round shape and no angles, no sides and don't have vertices. Okay, students? Next one is, yes, square. Square is one of the 2D shape with, yes, 4 equal sides. Sides is பக்கங்கள் and 4 right angles. Angles is கோணம். Okay? Actually, this square shape have 4 vertices. Okay, can you see the vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 முனைகள். Okay, students? Next is, yes, here is rectangle shape. One of the 2D shape with 2 pairs of parallel and equal sides. Okay, and 4 right angles. Okay, students? Next one is, yes, here you are. The triangle shape is one of the 2D shape with 3 equal sides. 3 equal sides. And here is your favorite, yes, star shape. Also one of the 2D shape. And here we go. Yes, this is heart shape. Also a 2D shape. Now let's we see more about, yes, 2D properties. Okay. First of all, we see the circle. Circle, we can see the number of angles. How many angles? 0. That means no angles in circle. And number of sides. No any number of sides. That means no sides in circle. Number of vertices? No. 0. No number of vertices. Next one is triangle. Triangle have, yes, 3 angles. The number of sides in triangle also same. 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And number of vertices 1, 2, 3, 2. Also 3 number of vertices. The third one is square. Square shape. How many number of angles? 4. Okay. And number of sides in square shape also 4. And number of vertices in square shape 4, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one is rectangle. Rectangle have 4 angles as a square and 4 sides and 4 vertices. And here is rhombus. This is we call rhombus, students. Okay, rhombus also same as square and rectangle have 4 angles, 4 sides and 4 vertices. Okay. The next one is pentagon. Here is the pentagon have, yes, 5 angles, 5 sides and 5 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one is hexagon. Hexagon have 6 angles, 6 sides and 6 vertices. Okay, students, do you understand? Okay, now we move to, yes, properties of, yes, 3D shapes. Students, let we have a look properties of 3D shapes. And first of all, I want to explain you vertex. The word vertex in plural called as, yes, vertices. We call as vertices. Edges is vilimbu. Vertices is munai. Edges is vilimbu. Faces is mugam. Okay, students. Now we see the, yes, I explain more about the face, edges and vertices. Okay, face. The flat surface of a 3D shape. Students, face is, this is the face. The flat surface of a 3D shape. Edges, where two faces meet. Edges is where two faces, yes, meet. This is the edges, the red color. And here is the vertices, the point where 3 or more edges meet. Okay, the point where 3 or more edges meet. This is we call as the vertices, the red point. Okay. Okay, students. Now we move to, yes, properties of, yes, here you are the pyramid. How many faces in pyramid? Yes, we see how many faces in pyramid. Okay, this is the edges, the green color. And now I show you the faces of, yes, correct. Here is the pyramid. Okay, faces 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 the base. So 5 faces. How many vertex? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 vertex and the edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges. Okay, for pyramid have 5 faces, 5 vertex or corner and 8 edges. Okay, student, the red color is the, yes, vertex. Okay, next we move to, yes, here is cone. How many faces? 1, 2. 2 faces for cone shape and corner is 1. Corner or vertex is 1. How many edges? Yes, only 1 edge. Okay, here is the edge. Next, we move to cube. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners, edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. That means for cube shape have 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay, students? Okay, next we move to, yes, cuboid. Cuboid have how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. And the vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. Okay, again, for cuboid have 6 faces. Okay, and 8 vertices or corner. Okay, the red color is the vertices and the green one is the edges. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges for cuboid. The next is, yes, here is the sphere. Sphere have only, yes, one face and no edges and no vertex for sphere. The next one is cylinder. 1, 2, 3. 3 faces, corners. How many corners? No corners. Edges 1, 2. 2 edges. Students, for cylinder have 3 faces as shown here and no vertex or corner. How many edges? Yes, 1, 2. 2 edges. The green one is the edges. Okay, students. The next is, yes, 3D shapes properties. Students, here are the 3D shapes properties. The first one is cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone, and triangular prism. For cube, have 6 faces. How many edges? Yes, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Same goes to for cuboid. Is 8 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices, and the third one is sphere. For sphere, has only one face, no edge and no vertex. The fourth one is cylinder. Cylinder have how many faces? Yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 faces. How many edges? 1, 2. 2 edges and no vertex. No vertex for cylinder. The fifth one is cone. Cone shape. For cone shape, have 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 vertex. Here is the vertex, the sharp one. Okay, this number 6 is triangular prism. Here is the triangular prism. Have how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 faces. How many edges? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 edges and 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices. Okay, students? Okay. Next, we move to the nets of 3D shapes. Here is the next is nets of 3D shapes. Students, what is net? Okay, actually, nets in shape is a pattern that you can cut and fold to make a model of a solid shape. Okay, student, Let me explain again. Net in the shape is a pattern that you can cut and fold to make a model, okay, of a solid shape. That is the 3D shape. Okay, nets in Tamil we call as nigara vadivam. Nets is nigara vadivam. Okay, here is the net of what shape is this? Yes, cylinder. Okay, we can find one circle and two circles. In cylinder, we have can see two circles and one square or can be rectangle, the middle. Okay, this is the net of cylinder shape. The next one is, yes, here you are, the cuboid. This is the cuboid. Okay, for cuboid, have how many rectangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rectangles, okay, of net of the cuboid. Okay, students, this is the net of cuboid. The next one is, yes, square base pyramid. This is the square base pyramid. Okay, for square base pyramid have, yes, 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles, and the middle one is the base is, yes, a square. This is a square. Okay, students. Net of square base pyramid is look like this. Okay. Now we move to the, yes, cube. Now we see the net of cube shape. For cube, how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares. Students, for net of cube have 6 squares. This is the net of cube shape. Okay, now we're going to see next shape. Next net of, yes, cone shape. Here we have the cone shape. Okay, in the cone shape we can find one circle. One circle, and this is we call as sector. Students, please take note. This part we call as sector. One circle and one sector in, yes, cone shape. Okay. Next is, again I will repeat, cube. For cube, we can see, yes, 6 squares. How many squares? 6 squares. And for cuboid, we can find, yes, also same 6, same number 6, but yes, this is rectangle. 6 rectangles. Okay, and here is triangular prism. For triangular prism, we can find, yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 rectangles, and how many triangles? 1, 2. 2 triangles. And here is triangular base pyramid. Okay, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. How many triangles in net of triangular base pyramid, students? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles. Next is, yes, cylinder. For cylinder, we can see 1, 2. 2 circles and 1 rectangle. Okay, this is the cylinder. The next one is cone. For cone shape, as I told you earlier, 1 circle and this is what we call? Yes, sector. 1 circle and 1 sector. And here is square base pyramid. This is the square base pyramid. For square base pyramid, we can find how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. 4 triangles and the base one is, yes, a square. 4 triangles and a square. Okay, students, I hope you all understand. Okay, now we move to exercise of, yes, shapes. Okay, students, now let's we do some exercise of shapes. Are you ready, students? Okay, let's we move. Yes, here is the question. Write down the name of each of the 3D shapes below. Okay, please prepare with your paper or pencil to take notes. Students, I give you few minutes to write the answer. Please write the answer in a piece of paper or book. What shape is this? Here are 6 3D shapes. Please write the answer. Okay. Okay, students, can we discuss now? Okay. What shape is this? Yes, this is cube. Correct. This is cube shape. Okay. Number 2, what shape is this? Yes, cylinder. This is a cylinder shape. The third one, yes, sphere. The third one is sphere. Let's we have a look for the fourth one. Okay, please check your answers whether correct or not. Yes, this is the triangular prism. Student, this is triangular prism. The next one is, yes, square base pyramid. Here you can see the square, right? So, square base pyramid. The last one is, yes, here is cuboid. Students, here is cuboid. Okay, students? Okay, all correct? Very good. Okay, let's we move to the next section. Next one is very easy. Okay, here is the question. Draw a line from the shape on the left to the correct name of on the right. Okay, you need to, yes, draw a line. That means you need to match the correct answer. What shape is this? Okay, this is on all 2D shapes. Okay, your time starts now. Okay, students, the first one is what shape, students? Okay, yes. The first one is oval, oval shape. Okay, like an egg. Look at the next. Number 2 is, what shape is number 2? Yes, square. Number 2 is square. What shape the number 3? Yes, triangles. Altogether 3 angles. That means triangle. The fourth one is, yes, circle. And the fifth one is rectangle. Correct. The last one is star shape. Okay, students, here is, yes, oval, and here square, triangle, circle, rectangle, and star. Okay, please compare your answers. Okay. Okay. Can we move to the next level? Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, we already discussed all about this. I give you few minutes to guess the answer. Your time starts now. Okay, students, the first one is what shape? Yes, cube. The second one is cylinder. The third one is sphere. Okay, please jot down the answer. Okay, how many faces does this shape have? How many edges and how many vertices? Same goes to these two shapes. Okay, students, can we check the answer now? Okay, you can check your answer now. Okay, how many faces in cube shape? As we discussed earlier, correct, 6 faces. And how many edges for cube? Okay, edges is the, yes, this part. Students, this is the edges. Yes, 12 edges in cube shape. And how many vertices? 8. This is the sharp one, is the vertices, vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we move to the, yes, cylinder. How many faces? 1, 2, 3. And how many edges? 1, 2. How many vertices? No vertices. Okay. Now you can check your answers. The third one is sphere. How many faces for sphere? Yes, only one face. One face. Okay. And how many edge? No edges. And no vertices. Okay, students? You can check your answers now. Here is the answer. Okay. Congrats. Who get all correct? Okay. Now we move to the next question. Here we go. Okay. You can start do now. The first one is cone. Second one is cuboid. The third one is triangular prism. Please write the answer for the how many faces does this shape have? Cone. How many edges and how many vertices for cone? And these two shapes, cuboid and triangular prism. Okay, students, are you ready? Can we discuss the answer now? Okay, very good. The first one, For cone, have, yes, 2 faces. 1, 2. How many edges? Yes, 1 edges. Okay. And how many vertices? Only, yes, 1 vertex. Actually, vertex for singular. For plural, we call vertices, students. And here is cuboid. How many faces? Yes, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How many edges? This is the edges. Okay. How many edges, students? Yes, 12. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Here 4, 4, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. And how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The sharp one is the 8 vertices. Okay, this is the vertices, students. Total vertices in cuboid shape is 8. The next one is triangular prism. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, and the below one is, the base is 5. 5 faces. How many edges? Yes, 9 edges. This is the edges. Students, this is the edges. Okay. And how many vertices? Altogether, 6 vertices. Here 3 and here 3. Okay, top and the, yes, the base part. Okay, students, now you can check your answers. Is it correct? Okay, very good. Next is, yes. Now we are going to do nets of 3D shapes. Okay, I will give you a few minutes to guess the correct answer. Okay, this is cube, cylinder, cuboid, square base pyramid, and triangular prism. Okay, students, as we discussed earlier, I think you understand. Okay, you can do well. Please choose the correct answer. Okay, students, can we check the answer now? Okay, here is the correct answer. Now you can check your answer. Okay, this is the net of cube shape. And this is the net of, yes, cylinder shape. This is the net of cuboid shape. And this is the net of, yes, square base pyramid. And the last one is the net of, yes, triangular prism. Okay, students, is it all correct? If yes means congratulations. Okay, students, I hope you all understand well about shapes. Today's lesson is shapes. I hope you understand well and achieve the learning outcome of today's lesson. Okay, please do more exercise to excel in this topic. All the very best, dear students. See you all in next lesson. Thank you, students.
Okay, thank you so much to teacher Komalam Raman. இன்று மிக சிறப்பாக கணித இயங்கலை வகுப்பை நடத்திய ஆசிரியை கோமலம் ராமன் அவர்களுக்கு பாரதி கற்பனை தளம் சார்பாக நன்றிதனை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றோம். மாணவர்கள் மிக சிறப்பாக பங்கெடுத்தீர்கள். கருத்தாடல் பெட்டிகளில் உங்களுடைய அன்சஸ் எல்லாம் பார்க்கும் பொழுது உங்களுடைய பங்கேற்பு மிக சிறப்பாக இருந்தது. அவ்வேளையில் நிச்சயமாக ஆசிரியர்கள் தயாரிப்பு, ஆசிரியர் பாடம் நடத்திய விதம், இன்று அவர் கற்றலை உங்களுக்கு வழங்கிய விதம் மிக சிறப்பாக உங்களுக்கு போய் சேர்த்திருக்கும் என்று நம்புகின்றோம். ஆக எங்களோடு இணைந்திருங்கள். இன்னும் பல நிகழ்ச்சிகள் தொடர்ந்து பாரதி கற்பனை தளத்தில் நடக்கும். நீங்கள் உங்களுடைய கல்வி சார்ந்த திறன்களை மேம்படுத்திக் கொள்வதற்கு பாரதி கற்பனை தளம் நிச்சயமாக அடித்தளமாக இருக்கும். அதற்கு முக்கியமான காரணம் யார் என்று பார்த்தீர்கள் என்றால் நம்முடைய பாரதி கற்பனை தளத்தில் போதிக்கும் ஆசிரியர்கள் தான். ஆக மீண்டும் மீண்டும் ஆசிரியர் கோமலம் ராமன் அவர்களுக்கு நன்றிதனை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றேன். நன்றி டீச்சர்.
நன்றி ஐயா.
ஓகே மாணவர்களே, மீண்டும் சந்திப்போம். அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நன்றி நன்றி நன்றி.